Hi children. So now let us continue with the question number 19. 19 question says Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7000 rupees? So you can observe we can use the concept of arithmetic progression to solve these type of questions in our daily life. So let us start. So he started his work at the annual salary of rupees 5000 means what it is? He started his work means it is first year salary, that is A. A is 5000. So first term is 5000 and every year he was getting an increment 200 rupees means what? It is a common difference. So D equals to 200. And in which year did he reach 7000 rupees is annual income means what? We don't know which year. So we did many questions like this whenever we don't know any term, nth term. So let us take that as AN. So let us take AN be 7000 rupees. Expand this, we will get A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 7000. Substitute A is 5000, D is 200. Send 5000 on RHS, 7000 minus 5000 becomes 2000. Divide by 200, we get 10. So N equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. I hope everyone understood children. So this is 11, we got 11. What you can conclude? In the 11th year, he got 7000 rupees as his annual income. That is in 2005, his income reached 7000 rupees. So this is the meaning of this question. So one more applied question will go. Last question of this exercise, question number 20. Ramkali saves rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1 rupee 75 paise. If in the nth week her weekly savings becomes 20 rupees 75 paise, then find N. So here's question is very clear. You have to find N. So what he has given, his first week savings is rupees 5 means can I take A as 5? Yes. And every week his savings is 1 rupee 75 paise. So we can take this as common difference because every successive week her savings is 1 rupee 75 paise. And the AN, so he has given clearly here, in the nth week she will get 20 rupees 75 paise. So AN equals to 20.75. So expand, we get A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 25. And in place of A, substitute 5. In place of D, substitute 1.75. And send 5 on RHS and send 1.75 in the denominator. After simplifying, we get 9 here. So N minus 1 equal to 9, N equal to 9 plus 1, that is N is 10. Means in the 10th week, she will get 20 rupees 75 paise. So with this, I end exercise 5.2 and till here we completed how to find nth term and how to apply the concept of nth term of an AP in a word problems. So in the next session, I am going to start with the sum of n terms of an AP children. Thank you.